Yo, this kitty is downloading a new update, lol.
If you can't get enough of these Labradors...
Seriously, this little guy just realized he is a dog, emotional damage.
The best place to sleep is in the comforting lap of a true friend, where you feel safe, loved, and completely at peace.
Hey! Oh my goodness.
Wait for it, the pet is dancing, cuteness overload. Check this out, this fluff ball just realized he is a dog. I can watch this all day. Hey, this golden retriever is judging you silently. Same bro, same. Yeah. OMG, the doggo wants some food. FBI open up. Check this out, that husky wants a refund on life. I can't even. Honestly, this fur ball is malfunctioning. 10 out of 10.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, my spirit animal regrets everything. LOL.
Just looking at him makes the day better.
Ha, this absolute unit is lagging, legendary. Can you believe this legend shows violence today? Unbelievable.
Can you not?
Wow, that husky is lagging, too wholesome. Wait for it, this cat wants some food, so funny.
What the fuck?
Seriously, my spirit animal is lagging, cuteness overload.
Yep, always two types of dogs.
Holy smokes, that husky is plotting revenge. I am dying. Yo, this fluff ball is vibing too hard, lol. Can you believe the orange cat is defying gravity? 10 out of 10.
You might have a problem.
Huh?
Wow,
Honestly,
this fur ball needs
same
a
goes for
factory
their
reset.
toys.
Emotional damage.
She's not letting him in. What's going on, bud?
Goldens have many talents. Making a mess is definitely one of them.
Bro, this absolute unit has 0 brain cells. What is going on?
Go get him, girl. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Honestly, this potato just failed physics class. Pure chaos.
This household has very strict rules.
Huh? Huh?
Oh my god, that husky is plotting revenge. Best thing ever.
Goldens are the best with kids. Gentle, patient, and full of love.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Yo, the orange cat is laggy. So funny.
You got to go home. You got to get. Girl, stop.
Meet Najeen, one of only 2 remaining northern white rhino females on Earth. She lives under round-the-clock protection at Pagetta Conservancy to keep her safe and healthy.
Wait, my spirit animal just realized he is a dog. Mood.
Did you do this? No, what?
Oh my god, this fluff ball just saw something. I can't even.
Some family traditions are just too important to skip.
Help, this fur ball thinks he is a human. So funny.
Maya, drop the turtle. Give me the turtle. Spit it out. Maya, spit it out.
Ha, the puppy is dancing. My brain hurts.
Baba Booey.
Can you believe the chunky boy chose violence today? Totally relatable. Holy smokes, this animal thinks he is a human. Best thing ever.
He's sleeping, but still the funniest one in the room.
Wait, that good boy is possessed by a demon. My brain hurts.